Chapter 13. Perimeter and Area. Perimeter. The length of boundary of a closed figure is called perimeter of that figure. Perimeter of parallelogram. The perimeter would be 2L plus B, where L is equal to length of parallelogram. B is equal to breadth of parallelogram. Example 1. Rohan walks around a rectangular ground of length is equal to 100 meters and breadth is equal to 80 meters. How much distance Rohan walks? Solution. Rohan walks along the boundary of the rectangular field, so he has to cover the perimeter of the ground. Perimeter of rectangular ground is equal to 2L plus B is equal to 100 plus 80 is equal to 2 multiply 180 meters is equal to 360 meters. What is area? The amount of surface occupied by a closed figure is called its area. For area, it is essential to have a closed figure. The figures which are not closed do not have any area. The area is expressed in square units of length such as millimeter raised to the power 2, centimeter raised to the power 2, meter raised to the power 2, kilometer raised to the power 2, etc. Area of a parallelogram. Let us take a parallelogram ABCD with its base as B. The diagonal divides it into two triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle ADC draw perpendicular from A to base BC. Name it AE, draw perpendicular. From C to base AD, name it CF. Since AD vertical bar BC, AE is equal to CF is equal to H, say. In parallelogram ABCD, AD is equal to BC is equal to B. Area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of triangles ABC plus area of triangles ADC is equal to 1 upon 2. Multiply B multiply H plus 1 upon 2. Multiply B multiply H is equal to 2 multiply 1 upon 2. Multiply B multiply H is equal to B multiply H. Thus, area of parallelogram is the product of its base and altitude. Circumference of a circle. The perimeter or boundary of a circle is called its circumference. Let it be denoted by C. The distance between the center and circumference of the circle is called its radius. Let it be denoted by R. The diameter is the longest chord and it passes through the center of the circle. Let it be denoted by D. Diameter is equal to 2 multiply radius. D is equal to 2 multiply R. You can draw any number of circles from the same center with different radii. You will observe that circumference upon diameter is equal to C upon D is a constant. The value of the constant lies between 3.1 to 3.2. This constant is represented by a symbol pi. The value of pi is 22 upon 7. Area between two concentric circles. Circles having the same center are called concentric circles. Let us consider two circles having the same center at O. The radius of outer circle is R1. The radius of inner circle is R2. We have to find the area of shaded region, that is the area between two concentric circles. Area of outer circle is equal to pi r1 raised to the power 2. Area of inner circle is equal to pi r2 raised to the power 2. Area of shaded region is equal to pi r1 raised to the power 2 minus pi r2 raised to the power 2 is equal to pi r1 raised to the power 2 minus r2 raised to the power 2 is equal to pi r1 plus r2 r1 minus r2. Example, find the area of shaded region. Solution. Here R1 is equal to 21 centimeters and R2 is equal to 14 centimeters. Area of shaded region is equal to pi R1 plus R2 R1 minus R2 is equal to pi 21 plus 14 21 minus 14 is equal to 22 upon 7. Multiply 35 multiply 7 is equal to 22 multiply 35 is equal to 770 centimeters raised to the power 2.